Hey there guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to make this amazing three-step PowerPoint infographic in just 4 minutes. By the way, you can download this template for free from the link in the description below, and you can customize it from there for your own personal use. So let's start, but first be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the bell icon. So let's begin. So first of all, I'll go to the format background and change the background's color to a suitable color that you want to use. Now close the format background and insert around the corner rectangle and make it fully rounded. And then you have to use remove its outline and give it a fill that you want to use. So I'll just use this one. Now go to shape effects and go to preset and give it the second preset. You're gonna go to the shape format and go to shadow and give it this first shadow and increase the distance of the shadow. Increase the blur rate as well. Now let's go to shadow again and increase the angle as well. And let's just adjust this angle that the shadow is just below the shape. Next, go to the Insert tab and insert a donut shape with the same height and width, with the same width of the previous rounded corner rectangle. And here you go. We'll just move it downwards and remove its outline and then give it a fill. Here you go. Now what you have to do next is change its color. Next, insert your content text that describes the content of your infographic. Similarly, let's move it downwards. Here you go. Now the next thing you're going to do is insert a straight line just below right here and then change its color to white and then insert a title text box, and we're going to insert our title. Let's increase its size. Let's put it right here like this into the middle, align it. Now what you can do is group these line and then the title and then the content text and then group it by pressing Ctrl plus G. Here you go. Now move it downwards and then adjust its size. Next, you have to remove the shape's outline and insert another text box just in the middle of this donut, and you have to increase the size, insert your text, change this font into a bold font, and then you're gonna like give it middle alignment. Here you go. Now select all of the shape and group it and then duplicate it and then duplicate it again and select all of them and ungroup them and change the color of each of the donut shape. And you can also customize the text as well. Here you go. Now let's just group every of the shape. So we have three group shapes now. Now let's put them right onto their positions, and that's all for today in this video. So this is the final result, and if you like this video, be sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the bell icon, and be sure to give your feedback to our in the comments to let us know about your opinion. By the way, you can download this template for free from the link in the description below.